Hey guys, welcome back. And yes, it is true. I have been shade matched with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Longwear Hydrating Foundation. And my shade match, guys, is the color 350. Now, I know you might say, wait a minute. 350 is kind of light, and you are not a 350. Well, if you take a look at my chest area, and I'll show you in the video, my chest is much lighter than my neck and my face because I wear a lot of t-shirts, and I've been in the South for about 10-15 years. And so my face has gotten and my neck have gotten darker over the years, but because I don't wear a lot of lower cut tops, my chest has kind of stayed the same. But now I'm at a place in my life where, I want to wear something a little bit more than a t-shirt or a turtleneck. And so trying to find a foundation to match that has been my skin tone and kind of blend those three different areas has been really challenging. And so when Fenty offered their consultations on Instagram, I was nervous, but I was like, okay, I'm going to do it, guys. And Miss Incredible, who helped me, she was so wonderful, was really nice, and I'm really grateful for the recommendation that she gave me for the 350. I was really nervous. I was like, I don't know about this, because the last time I got a Fenty consultation, like, I hated the color. And so I was kind of nervous, but you know what? I bit the bullet, and I am so glad that I did, because the 350 looks so good on my skin. It definitely is lighter than my face, but it blends well from my face to my neck to my chest, which is what I wanted. So the contrast wouldn't be so harsh, and you can see that in the videos and in the pictures.
I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I am terrified to contour my face, which is why I haven't done it yet. Because what I use for contour is super dark, and it worked okay when I was using the 385, but the 385 really went with the darker patches on my face. Moving down to the 350, that terrifies me. And I don't have really anything in between. So, oh my Lord, is that to be like, I don't want to mess up my face, y'all. And I'm trying to be quiet because my kids are like right there asleep. I'm terrified. Please don't mess up. Please don't mess up. Ooh, Jesus, be with me. Let's go. Please don't mess up. How do you do contour color? This is so dark, y'all. This is so dark. Oh, that's so dark. That is so dark.
So as you can see, guys, even though I completely messed up everything with my contour stick, which is now in the trash, I was able to blend out as much as I could, and I think the final look turned out pretty decent, and so I am excited about that. The foundation I love. I think it is the perfect color. I need to up my contour game, most definitely, but at the end of the day, guys, it feels so good to be able to feel confident in the clothes that I wear and not, and my skin not look like a patchwork quilt, and that's pretty much how I felt. Like, this is the first time I've been wearing, I think I started wearing makeup consistently in my mid 30s. And so this is really the first time since I started wearing makeup in the last 10 years or so where I felt confident in the skin that I was in. Like, it looked uniform, and that I am really grateful for. So overall, it was a great process. It was a fun process. My contour stick is trash, but at the end of the day, I am happy with my purchase, and I'm glad I did the consultation through the IG program. So that is what I have to say about it. Whew. Y'all know the drill. Get yourself some good contour, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay? Bye.